Hi guys, today we're going to talk about observer design pattern. It lets classes react to changes in other classes. Follow me and I will show how that works in the code. Subscriber pattern works like a YouTube channel. Whenever you subscribe to YouTube, you get a notification when there are new videos. It works the same way for classes. Whenever there are updates, your class will get an update if you have subscribed to it. Okay, let me show you how to use that pattern. You start with the main class, news publisher, which allows you to subscribe, unsubscribe, and notify other classes. Then you move on to creating a subscriber. This class is responsible for showing the message, so that's why it has a method called update. This one will print whatever the message is. So back to the news publisher. This one here, through the notify method, will allow us to do a loop through anyone who is subscribed to then call the update from the subscribe method. Let me show you how that works. So you start the publisher here. So with the publisher, we're going to be able to call the subscribe method and the notify method. So this way we can start showing the messages to all of them. Let me show you how that works. Once you have the publisher here, you can create two subscribers using the subscribe function, which contains the update method that handles the final print of the message. So I will create here Alice and Bob. They are two instances of the class subscriber, and I will say to the publisher that they are subscribers. So as soon as I pass Alice as the first subscriber and Bob as the second subscriber, and I call notify, it should print Alice and Bob breaking news. Let me show you that working. So here you have the notifying subscriber initiated, then Alice receives the message and Bob also receives the message. And that's how it works. You can find examples in PHP and in Node.js as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Without the observer pattern, you would have to notify each class manually, and it can become really messy. Having that, you can have a centralized place for these notifications and have your code much more clear and tidy.